Today I wanted to share with you an easy hack on how to use one wreath for all 4 seasons. I love to decorate my house and my front door with wreaths and florals according to the season, but it all adds up and becomes very expensive. I got this small wreath in Target for clearance from St. Patrick's Day for $2. This was originally $5, but I got it for $2, and I thought I will try this idea and share with you. I got these floral branches from Dollar Tree for $1.25 each, and what I did was I went ahead and removed these branches. It is super easy to remove. All that you have to do is just push it through and it comes out. And what I have done here is you can use these branches to go around these leaves. I see some clover leaves here that we can either use hot glue gun to glue it on, or you can even use the transparent elastic threads or transparent wire to tie it around, and you can keep changing this according to the season. If you don't like the clover leaves, you can remove the clover leaves during the fall and add some fall leaves. You can get these floral branches for fall, for Christmas, and for Valentine's Day and Easter that is coming up in Dollar Tree. All that you will have to do is remove the old ones and just glue on the new ones, and all this will be done on a very small budget, and you will enjoy to see the beautiful wreaths decorating your door. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.